Guys, pause muna. It's break time already, and I'm hungry. Did anyone bring merienda ba? Ay, boss, meron ako dito! Shop out. Bouncy and soft buns steamed for 2 to 3 days, including non-working holidays, filled with high-quality meat. You think it's better than my peachy peachy? Boss, my peachy peachy is made with our in-house artisan ground cassava, hand-knead, hand-pulled to perfection with our 11,284 secret ingredient. Boss, wala yan sa aking military-grade turon wheat lang ka na may IP68 dust and water-resistant score. May homing technology na...
Luscious leche flan, gawa sa sariwa at piling itlog mismo ng sari manok, made with milk na sigurado kang good for 2 years old and above. Ayan.
Wow, very bongga naman. How about you? What did you bring?
Panulak ang dala ko, boss. 10 case ng Royal. Kuha na kayo dun sa pantry. Madali nang i-level up ang snack ulitan with Royal because it pairs well sa mga merienda nyo. 13 pesos SRP. Ayun, taray, ang daming food. Let's go.
Oh, how about you? What did you bring?
So show me how you level up your snack time.
But of course, my dear heart, allow me to show you how I level up mine. First, I've got brewed coffee from beans, hand-picked and roasted by the fairies themselves. Tableware, made from minerals mined from the moon. Mixed berries from the Garden of Eden. And speaking of Eden, here's my pangmalakasang snack. My blueberry cheesecake, with creamy taste and smooth texture, leveled up with Eden cream cheese. Bush. Yoli and her son is coming over for some snacks later today, and if this does not impress them, I don't know what will.
Day, Marites, andito na kami.
Here they come. Coming, dear.
Hala, ang ganda naman ang sit-up mo dyan, Day.
Apparently, they have been seeing each other for a few months now.
Huy, talaga ba, Day?
Papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part, Yoli. The actual tea is... Manang Yoli pa load po.
Saglit lang, Day. Anong load dong? Ayan, okay na. Ano yung na-confirm mo, Day?
It has been confirmed that...
Hay, Manang Yoli, pabayad naman po ako ng Maynilad. Sureness, Day, okay na. Hi, Di Marites. Did I interrupt something?
Actually.
Okay na, Day. Junami, salamat. Hey, thank you. Tuloy mo na, Day.
It has been confirmed that... Bakash in po, Gcash. Oh, for goodness sake.
Hey, pasensya na, Day. Medyo busy ba? Gcash, dong. Magkano? Okay na.
Yoli, what are all these new services that you're offering?
Ito pala ang take ko sa'yo, Day. Member kasi ako sa Pure Gold. At may exclusive aling pouring app kaming mga tindira. Lakas makadagdag kita nito, Day, kasi tulad ng ganyan, o makabinta ako ng load. Makapakas in ako sa bills payment sa buong barangay.
Is that so?
Yes, Day. Pero ano mo na i-confirm mo, Day? It has been...
Load po for auto-sweep.
Uy, Day, Marites, wala pa tayo sa exciting part. Ano yung na-confirm mo, Day? Load dong, magkano?
Cindy, anak, kumain ka na. Ivan, iabot mo nga sa atin mo yung ketchup. Cindy, anak, andyan na pala yung bill ng ilaw. Huwag ka masyado magugulat, anak, ha? Medyo mataas-taas kasi. Yung daddy mo nitong nakaraan.
Sige sa akin, ikaw nga tong galing manicure, pedicure. Ate, kailangan ko pala extra para sa project. Ate, ubos na din pala pang maintenance ko.
Naku, Ivan, ha? Yung mga project na ganyan, baka pinang-date mo lang yan.
Ko ba yung may ganito na?
Manghingi sana ako ng extra.
Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Hindi ko na kaya!
Substitution! Ayaw na nito!
Coach? Anyway.
Pagod na ako!
Ate, manang na to? Energy drink. Para hindi ka mapagod. Thanks.
Hindi niyo ako naiintindihan!
Ladies and gentlemen, Sofia Beltran, Cindy's interpreter for tonight.
Guys, ano ba? Nagmo-moment ako dito Okay lang? Buong buhay ko wala akong ibang inisip kundi kayo.
Sila lang?
Hoy, parang sure Siyempre, iniisip din kita. Office crush kitty. Chat kita mamaya. Daddy, Isusubo ko na lang, ilalaan ko pa para sa inyo. Huwag sinungaling, bestie. Panay-coffee natin sa office at laging venti. Ay, pa-breakfast. Ay, sorry. Shh! Kumini. Nakapagod na din kasi. Ang akin lang naman. Pwede ba? This time, ako naman yung lawan na inaalagaan. Priority. I think mahaba-habang usapan yan, bestie. Pero kung gusto mo na agad-agad, eto ka. FWD, the one for life insurance cover. Andyan, pag kailangan mo, priority ka and the people you love. You can even personalize it depending on your needs. Pwede kang mag-add ng accidental death benefit and critical illness cover. Deserve, diba? Gastos na naman. Gastos nga ini-emote ko dito, diba? Bestie, super mura lang. Depending on your need and age, your premium can go as low as 330 pesos per year. Diba? Mas mahal pa yung Samgip Saturdays natin. Manang, patimpla naman ng kape, please. Ay, si Phil at home. Thank you. Mars, hindi mo to kakayanin. You can buy this in minutes. You just go to shop.fwd.com.ph. No medical tests required. Ay, ang bongga nga. FWD. O, pakbili ako niyan. May reward pang kape. Balik muna ako sa drama ko. Okay lang? Alam ng Diyos kung paano... Talaga ba, Lord? Pati ikaw? Anak, pagpasensyahan mo na kaming pamilya mong umaasa lang din sa'yo. Anak, gusto ko lang malaman mo na mahal ka namin at na-appreciate namin lahat ng paghihirap mo. Ikaw ang the one na laging nandyan para sa amin. Anak, wala kang ibang hiling ng daddy mo kundi ang lumigaya ka sa buhay at lagi ka namin pinagdarasal, anak. Actually, late na pala ako. Ako na the one nyo, andito lang, hindi nawawala. Pero yung trabaho ko, oo. Kaya next time na natin ituloy itong drama na to, ha? Work po tayo, opo. Bye guys, love you. Pwede sabay ako. Sige anak, see you.
Why is it so difficult to book the function hall?
Sorry, be actually finalo up namin kanina. Kaso nga lang...
Details of your incompetence do not interest me. And tell the advisor I'm not going to approve that draft he sent me for the stage layout. I asked for clean, muted, and minimal. He sent me maasim, makalat, madumi. Is it so hard to overturn his millennial taste? Am I reaching for the stars here? No. Send RSVP yes to that tree planting and tell the canteen I want my turon ready by 9:45 and the palabok by 2:45 sharp.
Okay, be, noted.
That lettering. Happy anniversary. Not happy yet.
Sige, paayos ko, be.
What about the backdrop? Where are we on that?
Bali, nabuo na siya ng Hume student kagabi, tas i-install na lang siya mamayang hapon ng boys pagkatapos nila ng ROTC, tas na-secure na din yung permit.
Perfect. Thank God someone came to school today. What about the stage props?
Bali, yung mga potted plants, i-arrange natin siya, tas yung may mga flowers, ilalagay
We did
natin.
that for Nutrition Month. What else?
Galing din kasi kami sa stock room, be, tas nakita namin ang daming banderitas. Pwede natin siyang ilagay.
Banderitas? For Foundation Day. Groundbreaking.
Di ba parang fiery perseverance yung team this year? So what if maglagay tayo ng fire effect tsaka ng smoke machine?
No. Did anyone bring anything useful to school today? Facial tissue, perhaps?
Eto tissue, be,
Smells good. What is this?
It's the Kleenex Aromatherapy Rose-Scented Facial Tissue. It's your favorite tissue, but infused with a natural blend of rose essential oils for an instant mood boost. And it's hypoallergenic.
Let's buy more of this.
Ay, sige, be, bili tayo sa Watson since exclusively available lang siya doon tsaka sa mga online shops nila. Pero pwede din natin silang abangan sa 99 sale nila sa TikTok para makarami tayo.
I need 10 or 15 working titles for this project.
Bakit ang dami?
Please bore someone else with your questions. And make sure we have the gym at 8 a.m. tomorrow. And remind Miss Duañas I need to see some of those pop-ups that the grade 10 are putting up on the event grounds. And tell the principal I'll take the security guards if the guidance isn't available. Is the Cup of Joe performance confirmed?
May Cup of Joe tayo?
Did they confirm? Get them on the phone.
Okay.
And Jesselyn?
Yes?
That's all.